The Holocaust is said to be the worst genocide in the history of mankind. But worse भी शायद कम पड़ जाता है to describe what happened. 6 million lives lost. And how. Amazon Prime Video's new show Hunters dropped this month. It's based on a crew of Nazi hunters in 1970s America on a quest to bring the Nazis to justice. The show is obviously a slight fictionalization and dramatization of history, but the real story behind Hunters is equally interesting. In the decades following World War II, some of the Nazis had escaped from Europe to South America and some had fled to the US. अमेरिका इनमें से काफी नाजी माइंड्स को रिक्रूट करना चाहता था फॉर वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड सर्विसेज। इसके बदले में देवा प्रॉमिस स्टेट प्रोटेक्शन और सिटीजनशिप। इनमें से बहुत सारे नाजीज अभी भी उस हेट्रेड को पाल रहे थे एंड स्टिल बिलीव्ड इन पर्जिंग द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंफीरियर रेसेस। दे वांटेड टू पेव वे फॉर अ फोर्थ राइक. So a lot of Jewish survivors came together to track down these Nazis and bring them to justice for the Holocaust. They gathered information on former SS members जिसके बेसिस पे उन्हें ट्रायल पे रखा जा सकता था. इनमें से कुछ प्रोमिनेंट नाजी हंटर्स थे साइमन वाइजेंथाल एंड सर्हे क्लासफील्ड. ये वो लोग थे जो कई सारे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप सर्वाइव कर चुके थे. ये वो लोग थे जिन्होंने अपने पूरे परिवार को ऑश्विट्ज और नाजीज के हाथों खो दिया था. They were driven by rage and justice. From guards to Gestapo officials to scientists, these hunters started listing and tracking down every single Nazi they could. इनमें से कुछ hunters मोसाद एजेंट्स बन गए and started getting help from other official organizations. They tracked and brought to justice a bunch of notable targets from Nazi Germany like the Butcher of Lyon, the Butcher of Riga, Angel of Death, etc. These were nicknames that these people had acquired in Germany due to their signature style of carrying out atrocities against the Jews. In fact, show के कुछ characters इन लोगों पे भी based हैं. In this show, the hunters have been depicted as a very comic book, pulp fictionist troupe, but this was not the case in reality. Show को इस चीज के लिए काफी criticism भी मिल रहा है, but it is important to know that some elements have been fictionalized for the purpose of drama and cinema. The show claims to be inspired by true events and doesn't say that it's an exact depiction of reality. जब ट्रेलर में ही जुपर हीरोज जैसे जोक्स यूज हुए हो, then you should know that dramatic licenses have been used liberally. शो में Al Pacino says that revenge is the best revenge. अब ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि revenge और justice में एक बहुत thin line होती है, and that's one line in which you could sum up the real story behind the Nazi hunters. It was a true fight for justice in every sense of the word. एक नाजी हंटर कॉल्ड साइमन वाइजेंथॉल एक बार अपने कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप के एक दोस्त से मिले. ये दोस्त अब एक ज्वेलर थे और उन्होंने साइमन से पूछा कि why did he never resume work as an architect? To this, Simon replied that when we come to the other world and meet the millions of Jews who died in the camps and they ask us, what have you done? There will be many answers. You will say, I became a jeweler. Another will say, I built houses. But I will say, I didn't forget you. This show is a perfect package of good content and entertainment. With Al Pacino and Logan Lerman in the lead, this is the most riveting show I've watched in a while. पर शो का रियल हीरो है इसका कॉन्सेप्ट और इसके पीछे की असली स्टोरी. A band of Nazi hunters in 70s America who have put everything on the line once again to deliver justice to the 6 million lives lost. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And for more such content, subscribe to India Times.